Lawrence, Massachusetts. Forged from the waters of the Merrimack River. Founded by Massachusetts Congressman Abbott Lawrence. Incorporated in 1853. Home to amazing landmarks and monuments. Lawrence, Massachusetts. A tribute to man's ingenuity. The following program is presented by the Historic Mill Society. We restore the pieces that let you explore America's industrial history.
The Merrimack Storehouse, completed in 1906, originally served as a storage facility for the products produced at the Wood Mill Dye House for the American Woolen Company. This 7-story structure stands at attention as it salutes the passing waters of the mighty Merrimack River. The building was designed to use a series of steel pulleys and wooden rollers mounted on the outside of the building, used to haul bales of materials to the floors beneath the electric-driven winches. Its timbered beam construction is partially petrified, as the southern yellow pine ages from exposure to the woolen fibers. Half of this structure has surrendered to the gods of progress. But, fortunately, a sibling set of rope pulley winching elevator systems were spared the ruthless carnage of the merciless wrecking ball. The Merrimack Storehouse is the future site of the Air Clock Tower Museum. The structure now is part of the Riverwalk complex. At one time, it was the front-running candidate to house the Textile Museum, now located in Lowell. Its predestined fate as a museum is about to come full circle. The Great Stone Dam is majestic, to say the least, dominating the claim of the most innovative dam design of the 19th century. The North Gatehouse stands like a sentry against the furious waters that have been imprisoned by the fortress of stone, freed only at the command of the gatekeeper and only to serve the capitalistic ambitions of the masters of the mills. The ingenious gate operating system design easily harnesses the awesome power of the mighty Merrimack through a series of penstocks and water turbines fed from the canal reservoirs. Each mill complex along Island and Canal Street paid the masters of the Essex Company according to the amount of water force energy, known as mill powers, that were produced from the flow of water through the penstocks. This intricate gate and canal system is highly credited for helping to seed the banks of the lower river basin with the birth of an industrial revolution in the United States. The carriage house of the North Canal, completed in 1848, which silently serves the gatekeeper's house, was used to store pump equipment and other horse-driven vehicles. These computer-generated images are an accurate description of the structures and demonstrates our ability to display the correlation between the actual image as it appears today and the artist rendition of the fully remodeled finished building or the original architectural design. The structure is now used as a presentation facility for educational films and tourism. The old forge, located at the very edge of the dam, was constantly fired to reform the heavy steel set pins that would all eventually kneel down and surrender to the gods of the river. John C. Hoadley supervised the development and sale of over 800 steam engines before 1861. He produced countless wagon wheels for the Union Army during the Civil War, and inspired thousands of future inventors from his roles and contributions in the development of MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This Historical Mill Society vignette of virtual tours will lead attentive eyes and ears of both young and old, from water turbines to raceways, from steam engines to wagon wheels, and from the industrious history to a bright and promising future of the great historical city of Lawrence.